So it's just feeling unsettled for the last year, not really knowing where I'm going to end up. The first time we moved out was because the landlord was selling. The second time was because we finally found somewhere with affordable rent, but it was at a cost. We were in a really rundown and dangerous area. You couldn't leave the house past 9 p.m. And I lasted 3 weeks in that property. The whole time I was in house shares, and I was never able to afford a studio apartment on my own or these suites as such as they're advertising. And finally I have found a property that I'm in at the moment, but there's still this feeling of fear. It's so close to Christmas. I'm wondering, is it too good to be true? How long am I going to have here? Will this be the same next year? I'm 31 years of age. You know, it's crazy to think that it's probably going to be another 6 or 7 years until I actually have my own property. And I just feel like it's had a huge knock-on effect for my own mental health. Yeah, as far as it goes, I'm a quite low maintenance person. I don't really drink a lot. I definitely put a lot of money away. I'm trying to save, I'm trying to rent. I just don't, I look at the prices of houses sometimes and it just makes me depressed. I look at what's on Daft. There's these Facebook marketplaces at the moment where you can come across these rooms with 3 single beds to rent, you know, a rent per bed, if you get me. One girl I know, she got evicted from 2 properties in the last 12 months. And yeah, there's literally, I think I know 2 people my age that have bought, and that is with partners. There's absolutely no way that you can buy by yourself at the moment.